Follow these steps to delete any document, Google Docs file you don't want to have in your mobile application again. The first step is to get to the Docs mobile application and tap on it. Look at Docs here, so I will tap on it. As the Docs mobile opens, you know the file you don't want to use again. So what you need to do is to tap on the three dots under that particular document. On tapping on the three dots, you will see some options. All right, so drag up until you get to the bottom part where you see remove. All right, tap on that remove. It will ask you move to trash. Sample documents will be deleted forever after 30 days. Tap on move to trash. But it's saved in a folder called trash. And for you to access the trash folder so that you delete it permanently, tap on the three lines at the top left. On tapping on the three lines, select trash. Once you're taken to this trash, tap on the three dots at the bottom of that document. You will see some options, select delete forever. Then it says delete forever, tap on delete forever button. And this is gone forever. So if there is any document again you don't want to have, you can still follow this same step and delete it. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section so that YouTube will push this video to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.